Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Mr. Campbell from Mr. Campbell Rocks. Today I'm going to show you how to send or schedule text messages using your Android device. So you're going to want to open your text messaging app. You can see that I have mine here, and I will just put in a text message. I'm actually typing on my computer, but you'll see here that I have my message. It's full screen here, and then you'll come down here where you have your little airplane to send out your message, and you'll just want to do a long hold on that, and then it'll open up a new window and you'll have some options. You can do later today at 1 o'clock, later today at 6 o'clock. You can also pick the date and time. So when I click on pick date and time, it's going to allow me to go through my calendar. I can send text messages a month out in advance. I like to do this to remind myself of things. You can also put it on a calendar as well, but some people just like text messages. It's almost like an email option where you can send a message to yourself in the future. So I'll set this for Friday, September 24th. I click next. It'll ask for a time. 7:29 a.m. is great. And then I just click next and I save that text message, and it'll show you right here in your text message app when that message is scheduled to be sent. If you want to stop that from being sent in the future, you just click on that little X right there and it will remove the scheduling option. Again, if you're here, it's most likely because you're an educator. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.